Appeals court upholds Texas abortion restrictions during coronavirus pandemic. A federal appeals court Tuesday ruled in favor of Texas and allowed an executive order that restricts abortion access during the coronavirus pandemic to remain in effect. A 2-1 panel of the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals wiped away a lower court opinion that had blocked the order and said it was taking the drastic and extraordinary step because the lower court ignored state emergency health regulations. The case could ultimately be headed to the Supreme Court. Planned Parenthood, a plaintiff in the case, told the appeals court Tuesday that if it didn't rule on abortion issue related to the pandemic by close of business, the group would go directly to the Supreme Court Wednesday morning to seek relief. Such an appeal could pull the justices into a clash between abortion rights supporters, decrying what they see as politicians exploiting a healthcare crisis for political points, and a slew of conservative state officials, arguing that bans on elective abortions and other medical procedures are necessary to help preserve medical supplies while hospitals battle COVID-19. In its ruling Tuesday, the appeals court said Texas is allowed to implement its emergency measures. The bottom line is this. When faced with a society-threatening epidemic, a state may implement emergency measures that curtail constitutional rights, so long as the measures have at least some real or substantial relation to the public health crisis and are not beyond all question a plain palpable invasion of rights secured by the fundamental law the majority held. Governor Greg Abbott last month barred all surgeries and procedures that are not immediately necessary to preserve patients' life and health effective immediately. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton later specified that any type of abortion that is not medically necessary to preserve the life or health of the mother was included in the order, prompting a challenge from state abortion providers and national abortion rights groups last week. This story is breaking and will be updated. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.